Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Such a beautiful soul.
I never thought that I would be son to someone as lovely as she. Isn't she lovely? She's my mom. Isn't she pretty? Truly the angel's best. Boy, I'm so happy I have been heaven blessed.
I can't believe what God has done. I might be the luckiest son, but isn't she lovely? She's my mom.
Isn't she lovely?
Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious?
Such a beautiful soul.
I can't believe I get to be son of someone as lovely as she.
Isn't she lovely? She's my mom.
Isn't she lovely? She's my mom. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May.
Well, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My mom, talking about my mom, my mom. Thank you so much, mama, for always loving me. You're the sweetest woman any son's ever seen.
Well, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My mom, talking about my mom, my mom.
I don't need no money, fortune or fame.
I've got the single greatest mama any one man can claim.
Oh, I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way?
My mom, talking about my mom, my mom.
How sweet it is to be loved by you.
Needed the shelter of someone's arms, and there you were.
I needed someone to understand my ups and downs, and there you were.
Oh, we're sweet love and devotion, deeply touching my emotion.
I wanna stop and thank you, mama. I wanna stop and thank you, mama.
How sweet it is to be loved by you. Feels so fine, yeah. How sweet it is to be loved by you.
I close my eyes at night, wondering where would I be without you in my life.
Everything I do reminds me of you. Everywhere I go, I wish you were there too.
You brighten up for me all of my days. It's a love so sweet in so many ways.
I wanna stop and thank you, mama. I just wanna stop and thank you, mama. Oh yeah.
How sweet it is to be loved by you. Oh,
How sweet it is to be loved by you. Yeah.
How sweet it is to be loved by you.
I bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. I come to you with all my secrets, and you never ever judge. And when I'm falling in my weakness, you give me strength to stand back up. No amount of miles could separate us, no place where I don't feel your love. You say I'm the gift that heaven gave you, but mama, I'm the lucky one. 'Cause when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. If I'm ever a mother, I wanna be like you. If He picks me from the others, I'm gonna try to fill your shoes. 'Cause mama, you're my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. Yeah, He was being good to me.
Game na. Hello, Marilo, happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahaba pang buhay. Na tayo magkasama-sama po din sa ating eskwela. Naway bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng marami pang buhay at nang tayo lagi masaya sa araw-araw. Thank you.
Marilo, happy birthday. Sana ay dumating pa ang iyong mga birthday. Para ikaw ay makasama namin tuwing magbi-birthday ka. Salamat.
Hello, Kamarilo. More birthdays to come. God bless you. Miss ka na namin. Happy birthday ulit, Kamarilo.
Happy birthday, Marilo. I love you.
Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo. At maging masaya ka. Pati kami, siyempre, samahan.
Okay. Happy birthday, ganda bae. Hello. Happy birthday in advance. Love na love ka namin. I miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Kamarilo! Ang tagal-tagal mo mamasyal dito, namimiss ka na namin. Sana lumakas ang katawan mo, gumaling ka na po sana. Mamilo, I love you! Happy birthday, Mama Chuk-Chuk!
Marilo, lumigaya ka. Ganun.
Ano pa?
Sana'y magpagaling ka, lakasan mo loob mo. Huwag kang lakas makapit.
Huwag kang iiyak. Ayun na.
Naiyak ako.
Ano ba?
Tama na.
Wishing you all the best on your birthday. You will always be my best friend forever. Mwah mwah, chup chup. Happy birthday. God bless us always. Ciao. Okay.
Birthday, Kamarilo! Salamat sa inyong pamilya na kayo ginamit upang kami pagpalain. Ang dalangin ko, bigyan ka ng mahabang buhay, malusog pang katawan, at ibalik sa inyo ng Diyos ang lahat ng pagpapala na binigay niyo sa amin. Salamat! Happy birthday, Kamarilo! God bless you!
Birthday ka, Marilo. Sana maraming birthday pa dumating sa buhay mo. I love you, Marilo.
Happy birthday, Lola Marilo. Happy birthday, I love you. Ingat ka. Bye-bye.
Mabiyaya at maligayang kaarawan, Kamarilo. Dalangin ko na pagpalain ka ng Panginoon, bigyan ng mahabang buhay, at bigyan ng kumpleto kagalingan. I-provide ng Panginoon ang pangangailangan mo sa ipag-dialysis at enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nanay San Juan.
Hello, Nay. Happy birthday po. Ingat po palagi.
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday po. Ingat ka palagi. Magtipid pa rin ng tubig kahit birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Mami Lo. Salamat po sa lahat. Enjoy your day. God bless po. We love you.
Mama.
Happy birthday, Me! I love you! Salamat sa patuloy na paglaban mo para sa amin. Nawa ay mas madami pang birthday ang makasama ka namin. Mas
Basta, huwag kang matatakot, laban lang dahil nandyan si God para i-save. Save ka, yakapin ka kapag ka natatakot ka. God bless!
Happy birthday, Mami Lo. Okay naman ako dito sa Canada. Kamusta naman kayo dyan? Wish ko lang sa'yo bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay para ma-celebrate pa natin ng magkakasama tayo. Keep fighting lang po. Kayang-kaya natin yan. Basta nandito lang kami sa tabi mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan natin ngayon, dati yun alam ko na plano mo ni Lord. Sabi nga kung ano yung gusto natin, mas maganda pa yung plano ni Lord sa atin. Basta enjoy mo lang yung araw na ito. Mahal na mahal ka namin. God bless always. Love you.
Hello nga pala, Mami Lo. Happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka lagi. Pagaling ka.
Happy birthday to you. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, May.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan ang inyong health.